Users can edit print messages for DJ800 on a computer in their office. The completed print message can be immediately transferred to the printer controller. You don't have to rely on a USB stick anymore to transfer files. Instead, you can change and transfer files remotely from your office. With remote monitoring capabilities, the Egg printer's screen can be instantly displayed on a computer. The system can connect and monitor up to 16 inkjet printers. Users can see the ink warning displayed on the screen through remote monitoring. The alarm tower's yellow light indicating low ink levels is easily noticeable by on-site operators. DJ800, an egg coder suitable for automated egg package lines, provides an easy solution for eggshell coding and production management.